Ever pondered over the labyrinthine process of insurance claims? Why do we need to understand the insurance claim process? Well, knowledge is power. And today we're going to unlock the mysteries of the insurance claim process. Imagine a situation where you've had a minor car accident. The car is still drivable. You take some photos at the scene and move the car to the garage or showroom. But what if the situation is more severe? An accident that resulted in injuries, or in the worst case scenario, an unfortunate death. We need spot savvy or police fire to prove the incidents after that vehicle is allowed to shift to workshop. In such cases, the car gets taken to the showroom or garage. You then need to inform your insurance company about the accident and provide them with an estimate from the workshop. Once the insurance company receives this intimation, they appoint a surveyor to assess the claim. This surveyor verifies the documents and looks at the extent of the damage. It's important to note that the surveyor will only approve parts directly related to the accident. If you attempt to claim for previous damages, the surveyor and the insurance company will not allow it. Once the surveyor assesses and approves the damage, the garage is allowed to conduct repairs or replace parts. When the repair is complete and the vehicle is ready for delivery, the workshop informs the surveyor. The surveyor then completes the final inspection and bill amount. If the insurance company has a tie-up with the garage, they will pay the bill directly to the workshop. The customer then only needs to pay the difference, such as the surveyor fee and any miscellaneous amounts. In cases where there is no tie-up agreement, the customer pays the entire bill amount to the workshop. The insurance company then reimburses this amount minus any deductions to the customer's account. So, what have we learned today? Understanding the insurance claim process is essential. It starts with a minor or severe accident, followed by intimation to the insurance company. The company appoints a surveyor who assesses the damage and approves the claim. Repairs or replacements are then carried out and the billing process begins. Depending on whether there's a tie-up with the garage, the payment process varies. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding the insurance claim process, you put yourself in a position of strength and clarity. You can navigate this complex process with ease and ensure that you receive the compensation you're entitled to. So, equip yourself with this knowledge and drive on with confidence.